Hello everybody, in this video we are going to build a healthcare dashboard for exploring and analyzing a synthetic healthcare dataset. The project has a sidebar which filters the most important features in the dataset, which are gender, medical condition, insurance provider, admission type, and more. We need a quick summary for the total patients, average billing amount, average length of stay, number of hospitals, and of course we need a plotly analyze for average billing, admission type, test results by gender and by age group, and more things that we will discuss that a little bit later. Alright. This is the dataset that I used for this project from Kaggle. As you can see, the dataset contains 10,000 records. Each row represents a healthcare record and includes information about the patient, their admission, medical condition, treatment, and hospital services. Here you can see all these columns, and for downloading the dataset, if you don't know, you have to click on this button and you have two choices: downloading the zip file or importing the Kaggle hub. After importing the libraries, we have to define the function for loading our data and cleaning that, but before that we need a decorator that caches the results. This ensures that the data is only loaded and processed once, and making the app much faster when the user interacts with the filters. This function will read the CSV file and then remove trailing spaces from headers. Then it will convert date strings into actual Python datetime objects. And then it will calculate a new column by subtracting the admission date from the discharge date. Then it will ensure billing amounts are numbers, and we group individual ages into categorical buckets. Alright, let's discuss this part of the code a bit more. Imagine you're 17. Your age group will be 0 to 18. Is that right? So each age that you have has an age label. In here, the age bins means the boundaries of the age intervals from 0, 18, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 100. And here we have age labels, which is a label for each age interval. In here, from 0 to 18 is an age group. If we have a patient which is 16 years old, so it will actually be in this age group. After that, we will generate categories that can be saved as a new column called age group. In the last part of this code, we will ensure that the smallest value, such as age 0, is included in the first group. Then we will define a PDF report generator function. So this will create a PDF canvas. It calculates the averages and write them to the PDF using .drawString, and it will loop through the first 20 rows, and it will filter data and print them line by line. I know that this one needs more improvements, but it's enough for now. Then we will create a text box in the sidebar where the user can specify the dataset file. We will create the drop-downs in the sidebar so the user can select one or multiple values. Remember that the default is actually to select all values together, and using Boolean indexing to filtering the data frame based on all user selections. The next step is actually building the main dashboard. We use dot columns to create a horizontal row for the forecast, and we use the dot metric to displaying the summary of our statistics. After all, we will visualize our data using plotly charts, such as the first chart, which is the average billing amount per medical condition, and the next one is actually the percentage distribution of admission types, and the other one charts are actually the test results, and the other one, which is for the gender filtering. The next chart will rank the top 50 hospitals by the average length of stay. The next chart and the last one will compare different insurance providers based on how much they actually billed on average. And lastly, we will display the first 50 rows of the filtered data to analyze them and sort them manually. Alright, as you can see, I had a little problem by importing the packages, and I used the V&V technique. Alright, as you can see, we have the dashboard, the sidebar is working, the filters, the PDF, all the dashboard analysis, the sample data, and we can check the filters by adding and removing them. We can see the total patients, the average billing amount, the average length of stay, the hospitals,